Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to make a donut in GIMP, an easy guide for creating a delicious looking treat. We'll start by setting up our canvas. First, create a new image making it 1000 pixels by 1000 pixels with a white background. Next, add a new transparent layer and name it Donut. Then, use the Ellipse Select tool to draw a large circle for the outer edge of your donut. Finally, fill this selection with a light brown color, like a baked donut. Now that we have our basic donut shape, let's create the iconic hole in the middle. With your selection still active, go to Select, then Shrink and reduce the selection by about 150 pixels. This creates a smaller inner circle. Simply press the Delete key to cut out this inner part, forming your perfect donut shape. Remember to deselect the area afterward. To prepare for our next step, duplicate this donut layer. We'll use the copy for our delicious frosting. It's time to add some sweet frosting to our donut. Create a brand new transparent layer above your donut layer and name it Frosting. Now, grab the Free Select tool and draw an irregular, wavy shape that mimics melted frosting dripping over the donut's edge. Don't worry about perfection. A little asymmetry looks more natural. Once your selection is complete, fill it with your favorite frosting color, perhaps a vibrant pink or a rich chocolate brown. To make it look even softer, apply a slight Gaussian blur of about 5 pixels. To truly make our donut pop, let's add some final touches. Create another new transparent layer, this time for sprinkles, and place it above your frosting layer. Using a small, hard brush, draw tiny, colorful sprinkle shapes all over the frosting. Feel free to use a variety of bright colors. For added realism, apply a subtle drop shadow effect to the main donut layer. This gives it a nice sense of depth. Finally, merge all visible layers to complete your wonderfully crafted GIMP donut. Enjoy your digital treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.